playground! It is broken! NNGH. Come on! It's too heavy! I can't do it alone. I tried, but I can't. I need someone. ST wrong. Wait! I hear something. BIG. It's coming from the construction site. Something HUG is in there. Wow! Look at that! Look at that!
I am Danny. I'm a dump truck.
Wow!
I carry heavy things.
Our playground is broken. Can you help?
Of course. Heavy or light, I carry it RIT. Wow, look! It's the letter D!
Hooray! The letter D. Hey kids, can you say the letter D? D is for digger.
Let's go fix that playground.
Let's go! First, we clean up.
So strong.
Ah,
New rocks for the ground.
amazing!
Careful, these are for the swings.
The swings are back!
A brand new slide.
A NEW slide! It's beautiful! Danny, are you okay?
I'm tired, but I won't stop.
Don't give up, Danny. We believe in you.
Hard work makes great things.
Thank you, Danny.
See my bed? It goes UP. And everything slides O out T.
What can you carry? Rocks, dirt, sand. Wow, so much.
My wheels are big. 6 wheels.
Your wheel is bigger than me.
My engine is powerful. I never give up.
Where do you work?
Construction sites, mines, new roads, material yards, NOT on regular streets. Stay far back in the green safe zone. Never enter the red danger zones around a large truck.
When I dump, stay back.
Never stand behind.
I'm load. Wear a helmet. At construction sites.
Safety first.
Yay, why? The playground's BACA!
Thank you. Danny. Thank you for the swings. Thank you for the slide. You worked so hard. You're our HERO.
When you work hard and never give up, you can build amazing things. Oh!
D, 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 D is for dump truck. This is the letter D. Down, big belly curve, like Danny's belly. D is for dump truck. D is for D-O-G. Woof. D-D-D-O-G. D is for duck. Quack. D-D-U-C-K. Look at all our D words. Dump truck, dog, duck, drum. They all start with D.
D, D, D. What starts with D? Dump truck, dog, duck, drum. D, D, D. Now you know D.
See this sign. Do not enter.
Oh,
Construction sites are not playgrounds.
everyone wears a helmet.
No helmet, no entry.
When I work, stay far. 3 big steps back.
Watch from far away.
Big trucks are L-O-U-D.
Cover your ears.
I carry rocks, not people.
Things, not people. Remember these rules. Stay out. Wear a helmet. Stay far. Don't climb.
You're so smart.
When you work hard and never give up,
You can build amazing things.
hard work and friends make everything better.
Together. What's next? Next time. E is for. Can you guess? E is for. You'll find out.
D is for dump truck. D is for Danny, our determined friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more adventures. See you next time, folks. ABC Vehicles for Kids. Let's go, let's learn, let's zip.
See you next time.